Marketing analytics is widely used in various industries to measure the return on investment (ROI) of marketing campaigns, understand customer journeys, and segment target audiences effectively. By leveraging data from sources such as social media, website interactions, and customer surveys, marketers can gain a holistic view of consumer behavior and preferences. In summary, marketing analytics is a powerful tool that empowers marketers to make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and tailor their strategies to resonate with the ever-evolving needs and preferences of their target audience. Marketing analytics is a strategic approach that involves the systematic analysis of data related to marketing activities and consumer behavior. It aims to extract valuable insights and metrics that can inform marketing strategies, optimize campaigns, and enhance overall decision-making in the realm of marketing. One key aspect of marketing analytics is the use of descriptive analytics, which involves summarizing and interpreting historical data to understand past marketing performance. For instance, analyzing sales data, customer demographics, and campaign reach can provide a comprehensive overview of how different marketing initiatives have impacted the target audience. Predictive analytics is another crucial component, allowing marketers to forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data patterns. This can involve predicting consumer preferences, anticipating market trends, or estimating the potential success of upcoming marketing campaigns. For example, predicting which products are likely to be popular among certain demographics can guide inventory planning and product launches. Prescriptive analytics takes marketing analytics a step further by providing actionable recommendations for decision-making. It involves using data-driven insights to prescribe optimal strategies for marketing activities. For instance, determining the most effective pricing strategies.